In this video, I am going to teach you how to withdraw your crypto from Kraken and send it to another wallet or exchange. This is perfect if you want to move your coins to a hardware wallet or another trading platform. Let's get started. Go to kraken.com and sign in to your account. Make sure your account is verified before making withdrawals. Next, click the wallet icon or go to the portfolio section on your dashboard. This is where you'll see all your balances. Now choose Withdraw from the options available. This will open the withdrawal page for your funds. In the options, scroll down and you'll see different cryptocurrencies. For this video, I will choose USDT to show you an example. Choose a network you prefer. For this video, I'll pick Ethereum to send the USDT as an ERC20 token. Just paste the destination wallet address and the amount field will appear. Enter how much you want to withdraw and click Confirm to finish the process. And that's how to withdraw crypto from Kraken to another wallet or exchange. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick crypto tutorials. See you next time!